Hello and welcome. This is the Eye for Profit production. My name is Vincent and today we're going to be experimenting to see how good can you clean the white part of these Chuck Taylors. It looks clean because of the light, but it's dirty. 2.99 store products. LA's Totally Awesome spray, and it's been diluted. I would say it's probably at this point like 25% awesome, and a magic eraser. The rest is water. So this stuff is super cheap if you dilute it. So originally to clean this shoe, I used this Rinso magic sponge. But the things that I was not satisfied with was after a few uses, how worn down it gets and how much it sheds as you're cleaning. It's dropping little pieces of itself. So it's like you want to kind of do it over a trash can. So what I decided to do was to time myself cleaning this shoe with the magic eraser. And oh, by the way, it took about 5 minutes to clean this one. So I'm gonna see if the magic eraser actually holds up better. See, it says 2 times stronger, right? So we're gonna see if that's true, and we're gonna see about how long it takes. And then I'm gonna use this one on a different shoe that needs about the same amount of cleaning done. And we're still gonna be using the Awesome spray that's diluted. It's only about 25% Awesome. So I am definitely satisfied with the cleaning. It was just the amount of time that it took to clean it and the fact that the thing was shedding that I didn't like. So we're gonna see if we have better results with the other ones. Okay, you guys, unfortunately, I'm gonna say that my experience was exactly the same. It took pretty much the exact same amount of time, and I wanted to give the magic eraser the benefit of the doubt because I paid more for it, but I felt like they just got me. I paid more for the brand and it started ripping apart just as much as the other one. The only thing though is that it could be the shoes because of the grooves and stuff. So it could be just this shoe, but these kind of shoes always have grooves like that. So keep that in mind, you guys. And now, last but not least, we have the Pine Sol eraser sponge, which actually has 2 different types of sponges. So let's see what this one do. And this one was also 2 for $1. So we get the same price as we get for the Rinso brands, but we got a name brand. And we're gonna see if that one does better than the Mr. Clean and the other off brand. Okay, so the results for the Pine Sol scrubber. Similar results. I want to say I almost felt like this one was holding up better than the other 2, and I like the fact that they have this alternative sponge. It's not the same as this side, and that allowed me to switch it up when I got to this part that was making this white part rub off like crazy. So I was able to switch it up and use this part. And then I was thinking that the other part was also good for cleaning the back because the white scrubber makes the actual Converse All-Star writing come off. So I was able to just flip it over and use the blue part to clean that. So all in all, you guys, I'm gonna say that I have been most satisfied with the Pine Sol eraser sponge, mainly just because it has that alternative option on the side for convenience, close to the same amount of durability and about the same amount of scrubbing required to remove tough dirt. So first and foremost, I want to say a big thank you to any and everybody that has watched this video all the way through, took the time to hit that like button and actually considered subscribing to this channel. My name is Vincent. I am a reseller entrepreneur, and I'm going to make more videos about things that I come across on my path as a reseller entrepreneur. Just in case I wasn't clear in the video, I think all of the products were just about the same, and I'm very satisfied with the cleaning job that was done for these to be 99-cent store products. Easy on the pocket, heavy on the profit. Hope to hear from you in the comments, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video with this sweet music for you to vibe to. dancing to no music right now. But it's gonna be music